Hi. Around the world, we can see that we are inspiring by all the inspiring peoples like sports personalities, uh, business peoples, entrepreneurs, and any any celebrities. All are having a common act principle to follow this way to success. Stephen Covey collected all the common principles and put a book on the 7 habits of highly effective people. Now we can. I have finished 1, 2, 3 habits. I am going to say about fourth habit. And welcome to our channel Independent CJ. Saying Stephen Covey saying that we should think win-win situation. There are many types of situation, but why is choosing the win-win situation? The first I want to share about all situation and explain one by one. Stephen Covey divided into 5 types of situation. The first one is win-win. The second one is win-lose. The third one is lose-win. The fourth one is lose-lose. The fifth one is win. I'm going to talk about the first one is win-lose, because we all following this situation only because we want to win, other want to lose. It is a common mentality to all the persons, because all the families, all schools are saying that we should better than others. It is a common behavior to the schools and families. In the family itself, they were comparing one child with another child. It is not a nice thing to do. In school also, we can see we are comparing marks. By marks, we separated all the students. By the win-lose situation, there are other examples also. The quote, we should win, other want to lose. It is a common behavior in the, and judgment will be given to the winner. It is a good behavior, but it leads to illegal activities to win the first place. To win, we are having a mentality of to win the others. We should not having a win-win situation. It is dangerous to all. The second common thing we are finding in human or lose-win situation. It is a kind of peace or forgiving or inferiority complex. That is, we are not fit to be a successful person in our keeping in the mind. It is a wrong way to become a successful person. We are all having a rights to have a successful person in our life. We should not forgive for others. Because of forgiving, not able, there is a peace, but not a successful person in our life. The third thing will be lose-lose situation. It is a wrong way to communicate our relationship with all, because it is a kind of two win-lose kind of people are battering to others. The Stephen Covey giving an example for a lose-lose situation. There is a husband and wife which is they were divorced from the court and from the relationship, and judgment is given for the husband to give a 50% share to the wife, but the husband having a mentality of win-lose situation, so that the husband is make the husband having asset of $10,000, but he have sold a car to $50 to make the situation to lose situation. The husband having the mentality of, if I not having, if I want to go to lose, other want to have to lose. It is a mentality to the mentality of this husband, so that the 50% share to give the wife of $25. This is an example for lose situation. It is a weak and not a nice thing to do. The fourth one is the win situation. It is a kind of having a no opponent, or not considering opponent to the himself or yourself. It is like a example of studying for exams, any competitive exams like TOEFL or anything. It is we not considering the anything to others, like others, like lose or win situation will be reduced in this win situation. The last one is win-win situation. It is a good and a tough situation to handle ourselves, but it is a way to make a separate all the persons in our life, because it is important. Because I will tell an example by understanding how the win-win situation is good. Considered I am selling a tomato to you of $20, which is bought from other shop of $18. It is $2 is profit for me. That is an example of win-win situation. Consider I am selling a tomato for 15 rupees because of compulsion of a customer, which is brought for 18 rupees, and due to the compulsion of customer I am going to sell a tomato for 15 rupees. It is a lose-win situation. It is example of lose-win situation. Considered I am selling a tomato for 30 rupees, which is I buy it for 18 rupees. It is a lose situation. Example for lose-win situation. Win-lose situation. Win-lose situation will be danger, because if we sold for high cost, if we one time we will be buying, but I am selling for all the time, you will be framed me as a greedy guy and stop buying from my market and stop your friends to be also stop buying for my market from the from the all these examples we can understand that win-win situation will be helping for others all in ourselves and in the life, so that please follow the win-win situation. So I forgot to explain that win situation is it is a selfish character. Thank you.